Now I'm over here on this 2000 Impala mine, and I'm out here getting this AC compressor off because it's broken. You spin it, you can hear that noise, so it sounds real loud, and my clutch wobbles, so that's bad. So I'm taking that out now and doing a tune-up, but I'm focusing on this AC compressor. First and foremost, you take the battery out. You want to go ahead and get your air box out. Did this so I don't have to remove this radiator hose, and I shimmied out the fan assembly through right there. Then I took me a little cap off and stuck a flathead and just kept pushing it until all my Freon came out. It goes to the AC. It's not the way you're supposed to do it, but who cares? I'm at my house. So after that, you want to take out, you got one bolt here. This actually sits on top of this, like that. Take the bolt off. Boom. That comes out. Then you got two bolts right here. You got one there, one there. If you come underneath the car, you got one right there, my right side. 3 bolts, and then you got this little clip here that actually clips right there on the side of the AC compressor. Used to hear my family cry, boy, when will you stop? Thing is super loud. And this thing wobbling. And this hook right here, look. It's not supposed to be like that. I see that Jesus saved me from captivity. Yeah. Now we're quiet. Yeah, we can finally hear what that muffler sound like I just welded on last week.